Giovanni with Hardscape.com. We are at a project with our 6x12 Pietralavica Gray and our 6x12 Basalt, where we will be installing our black Hardscape Polymeric sand. This is a product that we developed to make the installation easier for contractors. It's a product that is heavier on polymers. It's a product that can be used on 1/8 of an inch up to 4 inches wide. And we wanted to show you this video and make this an educational video to introduce to contractors and homeowners how this is properly installed. So we're going to do this. This is a fairly large driveway, almost 2,500 square feet. We're going to do this in sections. We are looking at the weather as well because we cannot get any rain over this. If we get any water here, it's going to be a problem. So what we do is we also have some plastics that we can cover the driveway in case it starts to rain, so we don't lose the poly sand. And we take all precautions. This is something that you guys should do when you're actually installing polymeric sand, and even when you finish, as you're going to see it today. So we're going to start compacting it very soon. We'll bring you the compaction process in a little bit. Giovanni with Hardscape.com.